got some good information.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. You getting the tower below, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Yep, go, 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 go. Going with you, Pollock. Heads up. They're going Moss. Changing Meg. Watch underneath the table, Polak. They can get you from there. Got one. Oh, dude, come on. Hit. That's different. Ref, you might not want to stand there.
I get shot all the time.
They're pushing up on the mosque. I don't know if they're in the front room yet or not, but they could be. I'm gonna get on the tower. I'm gonna go with you. No, we got one guy on the left. Stay low, stay low.
One guy right over here. Maybe you can get an angle if they might pop up.
I'll flash him. How far? Like from here?
Maybe you can get him. He knows I'm here.
Okay.
He's like behind a pillar, like right at 12 like this.
I know where that pillar is at. Yep. Which side of the pillar? Left or right?
Left.
Okay. Ready? I think we got one in their tower too. Stay low.
Can I get up on this?
Yeah, I think so. Just be careful.
Pillar's in the way.
Damn it. There's also a guy on the barrels going prone right now.
Yeah, that's the guy.
That's the guy?
I think the other guy moved.
Okay.
I think it was him.
I think it might be that same guy.
Got him.
You got him?
Barrels.
You got barrel?
Yeah.
All right. As odd as it sounds, I'm going to tie my boot.
Battery just died, I think. Oh, no, still.
No, you're good.
No.
Oh.
You got one guy going there.
Copy. Where's he at?
I'll tell you when I see it.
As you're shooting the wood.
You're coming around that way. I got a guy over here.
Got him. He's down. I got him. Middle building or middle wall. He just went this way though.
Alright.
I don't know if he's going to pop back out on this side or not. That guy's dead. That's the guy I killed. I think they got like a group on that middle wall. They really do.
You get him?
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna go low. See if I can grab him.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Heads up, I got a lot of contacts straight on from...
This way?
Whoa, hold up. I got one guy here, but 3 guys over there.
I'm gonna go back down.
Yeah, get in that back window. Get in the back window. Yeah, shoot out that way. Whoa! Yeah, we got a couple my side, at least 2 I can see. I got one, I got one. Contact or no? Are we good on this door? Hey, Velo, I got one more this side. He's behind the barrels. Gotta change. Change the mag, Velo. Behind the barrels, behind the barrels. Whoa, not behind the barrels. Behind the pillar. He's behind the pillar at the breaching room. Pillar at the breaching room. Stay really low. He doesn't know that you're here though. I think I got him, I'm not sure. Negative, he is still engaging. He is still there. Jesus. Copy, go. Here, mag.
We got one right around the wall.
Yeah, I know. Fuck, man, I've got to be getting close to this guy. He's hit! He's hit! Got it! Oh! Huh?
I think you did last night.
Yeah, you did. You got me in the arm.
Yeah, they got me.
I heard the wham. I'm like, oh shit, no! Good run, guys.